Okay, so today we will be making tacos. So over here, I have my pre-made tacos over here. So let's just keep this here. And I have guacamole. And the recipe to this is we just chop some onions and put some salt and pepper and a splash of lime juice. So just carefully get a scoop of this guacamole, a nice chunk of it. So slowly put it inside the taco. Okay, just make sure it like gets there. Okay. Then after that, we're going to add our chicken. So this is just cooked chicken. We're just gonna add this here. Okay. We have our chicken. Okay. Now we're gonna add the corn. Okay. So let's just have a nice sprinkle of corn all over our tacos. Okay. And after that, we will be adding our tomatoes, or tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. Nice sprinkle of those around. Then after that, we will be adding the salsa. Okay, get a nice scoop of this right there. Okay, nice. Next, we will be adding sour cream for that nice taste and texture. Okay, and finally, last but definitely not least, we have our cheese. I'm just gonna have a little bit of that and sprinkle nicely with a little bit of cheese all over the tacos. Okay, now we just have to repeat this on all the tacos. So we just finished topping all the tacos with the ingredients. So we're gonna throw this into the oven so the cheese can melt and then enjoy. And this is our final product. Take a good look. Oh God. And then you can share this, family and friends. Enjoy. See you next time. Dramatic.